everyone. Today I'm going to be making a banana, cucumber, carrot smoothie. So what all goes into the banana, cucumber, carrot smoothie? 2 bananas sliced, 2 carrots cut into small pieces, 1 cucumber, I have 2 because they are small, beetroot powder, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon zested ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. So let's begin. So you want to take 2 bananas and slice them. And take 1 cucumber, or in this case 2 small ones, and cut them into small pieces and put them into the blender. And I cut out the seeds in my cucumber. You don't have to. You want to take 2 carrots and cut them into small pieces. And add the carrots to the blender. And then go ahead and add your 1 teaspoon zested or rasped ginger, your 2 teaspoons of beet powder, and then the juice of 1 lemon. Go ahead and put your lid on. Turn your power on and blend until smooth. Alright, so it looks pretty smooth. I'll go ahead and pour it in a glass and let my husband go ahead and give it a taste test. So here is the banana, cucumber, carrot smoothie. Let's go see if my husband likes it.
What's in this?
Bananas, cucumbers, carrots, ginger, lemon juice, and beetroot powder.
I'm sorry, what? Okay. Actually, after you said all those things, I wasn't quite sure, but it's not bad. So you said there was some ginger in it?
Yes.
There's a little bit of spice, but actually it's kind of sweet. Is there sugar?
No.
No sugar. Okay.
Do you think a little kid would like it?
They might. It's sweet. It's not hot to the level that it just jumps out at you. But if you focus on it a little bit, you can tell there's just a tiny bit of heat to it. But nothing that jumps out at you, and it tastes sweet for whatever's in it. I don't know, but
so it doesn't taste like vegetables?
No, it doesn't taste like vegetables to me at all. There's a little crunchiness to it. Some of the
Carrots,
probably the carrots or something like that. You know, if you chew on it a little bit, you can tell there's a little bit of texture to it, a little fiber in there, but actually it tastes pretty darn good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.